Hey natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Shauna, and before I jump into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Don't be afraid to blow the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a video. In the front section, I am going to be starting off by doing a cornrow. At the end of the cornrow, I'm just gonna leave it just the way it is. I'm not gonna plait the hair end out. And then with this other section, I am going to be adding some rubber band. Right, so first I'm gonna be adding some hair wax, this hair wax, and then I'm gonna be adding the rubber band. So after adding the rubber bands, what I'm gonna be doing now is rolling that hair towards the back, and then at the end of it, I am going to add another rubber band just to hold it into place. That's how it basically looks. So if you guys realize, you will notice that with the pattern of this particular hairstyle, first I start off with a cornrow, then with a rubber band, then another cornrow, then another rubber band, then another cornrow until the front section is completed. The same thing that I did on that side, I'm going to be doing it on the other side. As you all know, for me, you can't have a good hairstyle and your edges are not slayed, so I'm just taking out some hair for that. just giving you all a close-up look on how the front section looks. Now with the back section, I'm gonna go in with this Eco Style gel. Also gonna be using this brush to brush our hair up in one. Basically what I'm going to be doing with this section is doing a top bun knot. I am plaiting this section of our hair. Then I'm gonna be using this Ghana braid. I'm gonna be adding this rubber band to it. And I'm just basically putting the rubber band over her hair. With the extension, I first take out a small piece of hair which my mom is holding, and with the bigger piece, all I'm doing is just rolling it tight as possible, because to me, the tighter you roll the extension, the more neater your top knot bun will look, right? So I'm just repeating that, rolling that hair until the hair is completed. And now I'm gonna be, going with this hair wax to do my mom's edges. That's how the hairstyle is looking. Beautiful. I want you guys to comment down below and tell me what you think about this hairstyle. So guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you all enjoy the video, and I just want to remind you all to like, share, subscribe. Don't be afraid to go to the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Until next time, big up on a good clean self. Bye everyone.